Today I'll be playing Talking Tom Skyrun on my Galaxy Tab A. You can see that it's not available in my country, but it's been installed. I used this website here, which I'll include in the description, to find the APK, and I installed it as an unknown APK. It let me after I changed the setting. And so here I am going to the app on my 10-inch Galaxy Tab A. And that's it. Should really use my HDMI and record this through my computer, but I thought it'd be more interesting. So I'm here in the United States in California. I gotta find my age now. One of my kids will be playing this game, so I don't want to have ads that aren't good. So you can see it's running. I can turn up the volume. And go. I've been told this is a fun game, and I'm not sure why it's not available in America yet. Or maybe it is, and it's just that my ISP is going through Canadian, what's it called? Watching an ad. Maybe it's being rerouted through Canada. So there it is. You can install it onto Android if you want to. This is just proof of concept to show that I am able to play and it's not fake or something. So again, I'm in California. If you're able to install this, that's great. How do you close these darn ads? Okay, should be an X on the top right. Let's try this again one more time. Be careful where I fly into. This is actually a little more fun than the regular Talking Tom run games, because you can go all these directions. Can't wait till it's available on iPad, because I'd love to play this on iPad. I don't feel like jailbreaking my iPad just to find a workaround. So that's it. Hope you can enjoy this game too. Yay!